Welcome back. About 10:14 now. Still a heavy thunderstorm moving through downtown. Now, don't be alarmed. No severe weather expected. But this is a strong storm. Has some winds at about 40 miles an hour just on outflow pieces of it here on the south and west. So as soon as it starts to kind of move and pick up more activity, what happens is that downdraft air creates a leading edge of cool downdraft air. So I wouldn't be surprised if there are some wind gusts of 40 up on the leading edge here. Still some lightning, mainly in northern parts of the cell here. University Park, Highland Park, but decent rainfall falling now through central Dallas County, continuing just a little bit south and west now, eventually heading down towards, looks like Davis Street, Main Street. There's I-30. So this will continue moving south and west. So decent thunderstorm continues now on high-res radar. We'll come back to it if we need to. Let's show you what's going on outside. Look at that from our view towards the northeast from right in downtown. Still rain falling there, but the heaviest of activity has passed south and west. Look at that temperature and heat index now, 76. So that rain will cool you down pretty quickly. All in all, tomorrow we'll continue the alert. Disruptive showers and storms, I think more widespread than today, probably starting a little bit earlier. The Metroplex didn't see activity really start until after 5 or 6 o'clock. Severe weather not expected, although 1 or 2 storms could certainly be strong. Heavy rain will be the main focus in storms, and we'll have to watch for winds, lightning, and brief heavy rain again. And please be weather aware if you have outside activities planned. Here's a view, broader view, Dallas and down southwest of Dallas, Cockrell Hill, down the 35 east split, and further to the west, still storms near Fort Worth, Forest Hill, about to see storms move right over downtown Fort Worth as well. Not as much lightning in this activity anymore. That has kind of wound down, but those are moving south and west. Benbrook, little shower just south of you as well. So don't be surprised if you still hear some thunder for the next hour or so as these continue. You notice the flow pattern here. The stalled front has kind of backed off a little bit to the west, and remaining energy really started from up in Collin County, McKinney, Princeton, down towards Richardson, Allen, Plano, and then pushed south and west. So we'll see this continue. It looks like that energy is kind of diving south and west as we speak now. Why is this all being caused? Well, let's take a look on water vapor here. Let's show you the broad view. There's a Gulf disturbance, not expected to organize, but it fuels that moisture, that deeper moisture being caught by the stationary front, and then a little disturbance and impulse from Mexico. That's going to ride up north and east. So I think all could provide more chances for showers and storms tomorrow and in through the middle of the week. There's that front. So stationary front kind of retreated. It'll continue to pass through. I think by tomorrow midday, the main focus to start watching is along and west of I-35. There's that disturbance from Mexico. And again, look at spots like Abilene, Sweetwater, San Angelo. And some of that rain could make it up into the southwest Metroplex, Fort Worth perhaps. So there is an isolated flash flooding threat along and west of 35 and south of 20. Mainly south and west will be the highest threat if storms do sit over the same spots, finally fizzling out as we get close to Wednesday. So there's that flash flooding threat now. This is new, okay, along and west of 35 back towards Breckenridge. The further southwest you go, better chance of seeing some flash flooding in storms because there'll be more proliferate on the map and some will be heavier over the same spots. Quick look at the tropics from the Hurricane Center. No change this evening, but this spot was the one to watch. Perhaps could impact the Gulf next weekend, the following week. Chances are kind of decreasing as they stand now. We hope that trend continues. All in all, expect more rainfall, though. This is great news. We've had some spots just re-enter the severe drought category. We could certainly use isolated 1 to 3 inches. Some spots could see higher amounts. So that weather alert continues tomorrow for scattered storms. Chances at 50%. Chances going down as we hit the middle of the week, though. But look at that. Only a high. May not even get to 81 on Tuesday. After that, the sun returns, but only the lower 90s.